So we're in the Morsha Reggae Lounge. We're in the Morsha Reggae Lounge with Vernon and some of my beautiful friends. Right, guys? So now I got some Jamaican people here. They are original Jamaican people. They taste my food. The lady is like one of the ancient Jamaicans. I'm going over to her and then I'll come back to these guys. Okay, so look, this is where I'm at now, on the main strip. All right, so these are my new victims of my food from Morsha's Reggae Lounge. This young lady right here, she's a real Jamaican. All right, now, a long time from me open my place, me never get a person like this to criticize my food. You see it? So she gonna tell you, she get the oxtail. How you think, mommy?
It is fantastic.
Tell them, tell them.
My father was the best chef that ever lived.
Gee.
And his oxtail was hard to compare. This is up to his.
Oh my God.
For
Yo.
real, for real.
People,
I wouldn't say that.
People, you hear that? People. So you know, so we're not ramp with nobody.
No.
All right. So look. From she come in, me know, so me have to go right in my tricks, go deal with my thing. So you know, it's a real Jamaican thing. Now this is her husband. Him order the curry chicken. Now, what's your name, Virgin?
Russell.
Russell is a humble guy. Tell him about the curry chicken, Russell.
It is damn-tastic.
Okay, so Russell is a nice guy, he's a humble guy, and I had to make sure that he's also happy. So listen, guys, you hear it from the real people, because you know, so me nah, you know, no ramp up thing, me nah play, me nah fake. You understand? When me give my reviews, it is what the people say, not what Morsha said.
Exactly.
Okay, so watch this now, people. Watch your right. We're not gonna talk negative about nobody. There's a lot of people talking negative things. Let's just all have fun, have a good time. If you can't say something good, don't say nothing. Boom shop out, mommy. Blessed love. Here, enjoy. You hear what she said? Her father was one. Hey, you, Bianca. Her father was one of the best chefs, right? And my oxtail compared to hers. And this is Carmen. Carmen works with me.
Hello.
Carmen, that's Vernon, my friend Vernon. How you doing, brother? So we kind of live from Morsha Reggae Lounge. What happened to you today, baby? Oh shit, looky. Up in the Morsha Reggae Lounge, up here madness are going. And hey, Carmen, come, what happened?